Welcome. If you want to add widgets to your home screen on CAT S40, click and hold on the home screen, then tap on the widgets below. Next, you can pick widget that you want to attach to your screen. I'm going for this analog clock, so click, hold, and then drag it to your home screen. When we tap on that widget, we can open application that is linked with this widget. In my case, there's a clock. When you click and hold it, and after that release, you are able to move it through the screens. And if you want to remove that widget, you have to drag like that. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.